In this video from Device Doctor, I will fix the maintenance error in ink supply unit not installed correctly error on the Epson WF-C5790 and restore chipless mode after a firmware update.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The Epson WF-C5790 may display a maintenance error and install the ink supply unit correctly message after a firmware update. This usually happens when the printer loses its chipless activation and can no longer recognize the ink supply units, preventing normal printer operation. First, you need to download the firmware downgrade for this printer. The download link is in the description. After downloading, run the firmware file and follow the steps shown in the video. The process is very simple if you follow it carefully. After running the firmware tool, you need to wait about 10 to 20 minutes for the printer to restart automatically. Make sure the printer is not turned off and the power is not interrupted during this process, because firmware update is very critical. If the power is cut, the printer may enter a binary/BIOS state, and in that case the main IC may need to be removed and reprogrammed, which is a difficult process. After completing the firmware downgrade, you can easily restore chipless mode. Simply go to the inkchip.net website and purchase an activation key code. This key is required to activate the chipless function on the printer. As you can see, the activation key for this printer costs $50. To activate chipless mode, you need to connect the printer to the internet because the activation code is verified online. You must also download and install the activation software, which is available in the video description. The most important point is that the internet connection must be stable, and the activation key must be purchased and entered correctly to complete the process. After entering the activation code, the printer will automatically restart. Once it restarts, the printer will switch to chipless mode, and you will no longer need to use ink cartridges or buy new chips. The issue will be fully resolved. Keep in mind that each activation code is valid for only one printer and cannot be used on other devices. Therefore, you need to purchase a separate code for each printer. That is it for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the maintenance error on the Epson WF-C5790 and restore chipless mode after a firmware update. If this video was useful for you, please like, subscribe to Device Doctor, and turn on the notification bell for more printer repair tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.